Have you ever heard of a man so beloved by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, yet they never met? This is the story of Owais Al-Qarni, a man known not by the world, but loved by the heavens. In the small village of Qarn, Yemen, lived a young man named Owais, poor, unknown, but his heart, it was pure gold. Owais had only one companion, his sick, blind mother. He devoted his entire life to her care, never leaving her side, not even to meet the Prophet Muhammad in person, though his heart ached for it. He had heard about Islam, accepted it deep in his heart, yet he sacrificed his dream of seeing the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for his mother's needs. His loyalty was invisible to people, but never to Allah. But little did Owais know that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam would one day speak of him to all of his companions. Stay tuned for part 2, The Secret of Owais Al-Qarni.